Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to install Android apps in Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start. So just open terminal here, and now first of all we will install ADB, which is Android Debug Bridge. Okay, so ADB is installed in my system, and now we just need to install Anbox Android emulator. So I will just type here the command sudo snap install, as it comes under beta. So just type here double hyphen beta double hyphen dev mode, and just type here Anbox. So this is the command to install Anbox. Make sure that you install Anbox with the help of snap package, and not using apt package. So it's very important to install Anbox with the help of snap package. So after you have installed Anbox, then you need to install dbus. I'm sure dbus will be installed in your system. In case if it's not, then just type the command sudo apt install dbus -x11, and now we just need to export this the variable of dbus. So just type here export dollar, and just type here dbus -launch. Okay, so after you have typed this command, I have already done that. So now Anbox is installed in our system, and now we just need to install Play Store to install some of the apps in Anbox. So how to install Play Store? So there is a list of commands that you should type to install Play Store in Anbox Android emulator. So now it's remember to export dbus variable, so otherwise Anbox will not open. So that's why you first need to export the variable of dbus. So uh, okay, so you just need to export. After you have exported, I have shown earlier the command export dollar, and inside the round braces you just need to type there dbus -launch. Okay, so now I am moving to the next procedure to install Play Store in Anbox. So let me just open this. Okay, so these are the list of commands which I have already executed. So I will put all these commands in the description below. So this sixth command is optional, it is not compulsory. It is useful to start the network of Anbox. So first I will execute this command in the terminal. So these are useful commands, so let me just paste that. Okay, so I have already done that. Now I will not execute this command because I have already executed this command earlier to install Play Store. You just paste this command and just press enter to get the file name as playstore.sh. So you will get this file in the home directory inside a folder named Anbox work. So after you have typed the second command, we just need to make this file executable. So this command is useful to make the file executable, to make playstore.sh executable. Just press enter to make playstore.sh executable. So now we need to execute that file. So to execute the file, and this is the last procedure. So this is the last process. I will not press enter because I have already installed Play Store, but this is the last process to install Play Store. So we'll just execute this playstore.sh file, and you just press enter. So it will take some time to uh, install Play Store, Google Apps, Houdini, and after all the things are installed, then just open Anbox App Manager. So just type here the command anbox.app manager to open Anbox. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already installed Play Store. So first let me just open settings here. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the normal setting of Android. So we have Android 7.1.1 is installed, which is Nougat, and this is the basic settings of Android Nbox emulator. So I will just open Play Store here. Okay, let me just open it again. Okay, so after Play Store is installed, then just don't forget to sign in with the Google account. uh, you just need to sign to the Google account. Just go to settings, and okay, just go to settings and just go to Google and just sign in to your account. After that, after you have done that, I have not done that yet, but after you have done that, just open Play Store, and now it will ask me to sign in. Okay, so it will ask me to sign in to my account. I have not done sign in. I will not do sign in to my Google account because it will take a video much longer. So yeah, that's it for this video. So okay, so I don't have an internet connection here. Okay, so I am not connected to internet, so that's why it is giving me a problem. Just I will just escape this. Okay, so now we have successfully installed. If you face any problem while installing Nbox emulator or Play Store, then just comment me. So yeah, I will put this all the commands in the description below, so that you will just copy those commands and paste in the terminal and install Play Store in and Google in Nbox Android emulator. So yeah, one last thing I want to tell you, if you want to install any APK, then you can also do that with the help of ADB. So if you have installed any APK, so just type there ADB install and just paste the name of that APK by simply copying the name of the APK and just paste in the terminal, and ADB will install that app in Nbox emulator. But I don't think there is need to use this command because we have already Play Store installed. Just connect to internet and just sign in to your account and your job will be done. So yeah, we have successfully dual booted Android, and we can successfully download and games in Android emulator. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.